What's up, guys? Today we are releasing a squirrel. We're under a bridge because we do not want it to dig through our roof because he is like one of those squirrels that are really yappy that, like, let's just say meows and purrs like a cat. But we did caught him on the cameras and he is kind of like digging. Now we're under a bridge to release him. So, Michael, you ready?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna definitely move.
Hey, dude.
And now, Michael, my brother, released it. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more fun videos like this and other ones. So, bye!